Hello again. So, as I mentioned earlier, we will see the data pipeline for the data warehouse. Unfortunately, Knime Analytics is not designed for those cases. We can use it for data integrations, analysis, machine learning models, but it is difficult to implement data warehouse. Many components are missing. So, in this case, I end up dropping one of those measures, namely the number of measurement or between brackets the test. I began by creating the location dimensions by first loading the CSV results from the scraping data into SQL Server, then using SQL Server components of Knime to read and write those data to the dimension table in SQL Server. Using the same procedure, I read the sensor from water sensor table by using a DB table sensor query to select the specific data, and then I load the result in the sensor dimension. Finally, I generated the time dimension using the SQL script as you see here. The entire magic is in the fact table, which contains a bunch of components. First, I read all three dimensions and load them into the memory. Then I began looking up those tables and extracting the surrogate key to load them into a fact table. In the joiner component, I selected the inner join type and the column that should be selected for each step. However, there was no expression component to calculate the number of tests, so I gave up. If you have any thoughts about it, please share them in the comment section below. At the end of this data warehouse implementation, I'd say that Knime Analytics isn't designed for maintaining and implementing BI projects, which I mean by that data warehouses. But as we'll see in the next videos, Knime is powerful when it comes to data manipulation, analytics, machine learning, and data engineers.